Alright, now these three guys are gonna go out for a ride. Look at you! How fun!
Fingerprints on the walls, crumbs all over the floor, laundry pile so tall, I think I might fall over. Way too often am I overwhelmed by the slide.
I just got here to pick up the kids. What are you doing? You look like you fit right into this flower bush. You picking up all the blossoms? Good girl. Have you had a good time? Good. I'm gonna go see the other kids, Kay?
Okay. They're in the beach.
Look at them. You see them way out there? So cool. So beautiful.
Some nice kayaking.
Really? Oh, I bet they love that. Hey, Charlie! Hi, buddy! What are you doing? Are you playing on the beach? Oh, it's so pretty out here. These kids are so lucky. Look at them out there in the water. How fun. I guess they did some kayaking too. I can't wait to hear about it. Hi, buddy! Let me see your boots. I want to see your boots. Oh, you got special boots? Wow. Oh my gosh, Leo. He is like way out there. So crazy. Ugh. I hope I don't slip. This seaweed is slippery. Charlie, wait for me. Hi, buddy. Look at your boots and your cute little shirt. Did Grandma give you a new shirt? Let me see. What does it say? Little Flyers. Oh, it has an airplane on it.
Yeah.
That's so cute.
No, it will open.
Yeah, was that part of your jammies?
Yeah.
Yeah, can I have a kiss? I missed my baby. Did you have a nice time with Grandma? Yeah, these are my shoes. I'm getting all dirty.
Again?
I'm getting dirty. Are you ready to go home? Back home? Did you have a nice time?
It's water.
This is nice water. Look how beautiful it is.
No.
And Liam and Bella are all the way out there.
Yeah.
Let's go see them.
I see him.
So pretty. Hey guys! How's your day been? Looks amazing. You guys went kayaking?
Yeah, we did. And now we're asking if we can do it again. Please, we can show you because
I would love to, but
went on it.
I think
Charlie even went on it. The
Charlie
water
went
is
on it too.
Yeah, very low.
Wow.
Can you please?
Oh, looks so fun. I missed you guys. What a blast. I would, but I think Grandma and Grandpa have to leave.
Well, yeah, but they said that we could stay Liam, grab your kayak. Liam, grab your gun. Do that.
I would, but I told the Benions we would watch them
What?
since they're moving tomorrow.
Help them?
Well, we're gonna play with them. Like have John and Lizzie over to our house and Emily and Eden.
Oh, Emily and Eden. What about the Brookses?
No, I don't think we're having them over. So beautiful.
I can baby myself.
Leo, what are you doing?
Does
it not have? I'm assuming it doesn't have bullets in it.
No, it does. Yeah.
It does? No. Don't shoot around people.
Liam.
So you're shooting BBs into the water?
Yeah. We don't have a target. Isn't it obvious?
Oh, I didn't know. I can't tell that there's a
My
BB.
shoes!
Oh,
You hold mine. I'm gonna get it for you.
Leo's shoes are out there. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, we took well, we did stuff on dry.
Be careful. Okay, I think I'm gonna take a picture of these cuties. So fun.
I am exhausted. It's been a long day. I'm only about halfway through. We've been working our tail off getting the drivers out to the stores with the product they need, and got most of every single store has had a touch now. I think we're gonna go back to one more store and give more products. So it's almost to the edge. Like there's a part in the holiday, a floral holiday, where you feel like you're just working against a a brick wall, or you know, you're climbing a mountain. I think that's a better metaphor. And at the very top, it just gets really hard. You're exhausted, but on the other end, it's all downhill from there. And I feel like I'm getting close to the peak for the holiday as far as preparation goes on the warehouse side. So I'm working that right now, and I'm going to be putting up the sign message as we speak to get the message going. So that's the latest for me.
The kids are dying to show me how they rode in the kayak. Did you ride in the kayak, Charlie? Look at this. Charlie, are you gonna ride? Yeah? Charlie, are you riding? Look at you go, buddy! You'll get a turn. Be patient. Julia, did you go on the kayak too? Wow. Look at you guys. It was like heaven out here. Wow, it is shallow. That's cool that it's that shallow, so far out. So fun.
What does shallow mean?
It means it's not very deep.
What?
Did you wear your bathing suits at all?
Well, we did that the first time, but water
Yeah.
doesn't really come in.
Uh-huh.
And the only reason we had our swimming suits on was because we wanted to go into the water without a kayak very deep.
Uh-huh.
So,
Cool. So fun. What a dream. I know.
Bella even swam in it once, only for
She
like
did?
2 seconds.
Was it cold? Is it pretty cold?
I don't know.
So pretty.
It just occurred to me, I'm going to take a picture of me in action changing the signboard. It's pretty exciting stuff. Sometimes the letters can fall on you. Dangerous, very dangerous. I just completed one of the longer messages we've had up there. Here it is, ready? Da, 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 da. Make your Mother's Day, send a beautiful bouquet. Good message. Remember those moms.
I heard these cute little giggles down here. Oh my goodness. And I come down to find Charlie writing in my checkbook. Char, can we not write in that?
No,
It's I need it for my money.
It's not your money.
It is my money.
It is.
It is. Can I have that? And then you can show me your picture. Thank you. You put it back.
No.
It's mine.
It's dice.
It's mommy and daddy's, okay?
It's dice.
Yeah, thank you. You guys are silly. Are you making John or Charlie laugh, John? Johnny, we're gonna miss you so much when you move tomorrow. Where are you moving? I know Charlie's gonna miss you. You guys have become little buddies. Oh, you're too funny, John. Is that funny? I think Charlie's slap happy because he didn't even take a nap. But I'm letting him stay up because this is his last day to play with his buddy John. Ah, Charlie! What are you doing, kiddo?
Okay, it's my down.
I know, we're gonna have to wash his hands. Let me see your hands. Ah, you do have marker on your hands. Oh no. What are we gonna do with you, Charlie man?
Bon.
It's a little noisy right now, but the challenge is on recycling today. And just so you know, in the company level, I do really, really well. I've been doing this for the past, I'd say 2 years, maybe 3 years. Some of my employees in the beginning thought it was very annoying, but I think most of them now love it. Like, they really like the idea of recycling, and we recycle a ton. I know that you guys probably had a glimpse of what it looked like out there in my work area in our garage bay. Lots and lots of cardboard mixed recycling. Anyways, it's being emptied out right now. We still have quite a bit, but see all this mixed recycling, all this cardboard goes to our Recycle Earth guy. We recycle it through this company.
So I was saying that today's the last day that the Benions are here. They move tomorrow. What are you guys doing out here?
We're playing.
I love how creative you guys get. I'm gonna miss this about you. What are you making, John?
I'm making a car.
You're making a car?
No, I'm making a cow.
Oh, wow, you got all these leaves,
have to work for
this awesome house. What happened to Liam?
He's inside, I think.
Oh, is everything okay? Are you guys having a trouble putting together the tent?
Yeah! This one seems...
I think you need to maybe...
Because this one is for
Here, Liam.
the rain shield.
Not for the rain
This is
shield.
for the rain shield, Liam. Remember? No, it is not. Then why is that one only a 3? Oh, yeah, and then we lost one of the beams.
Wow, so this is now the train station.
I cleaned up a 10 on the other
You
one.
guys are so creative. Where are you waiting for a train to take you to, Liam?
I don't know. I might not even be going.
Oh, really?
I was
Oh, is this the train over here?
Yeah.
Are you guys going to the train station, Juliet?
Yeah.
Yep.
And
All aboard.
Right. This is my
These kids are just so cute with their creativity. I love it.
tiny.
I'm excited to show you what it's like when Liam takes these kids for a ride. Liam, will you give them a ride? I want to Okay, well, when you're ready, will you tell me? Oh, here comes Emily. Look through. Woo, choo choo. Check it, check it, check it, check it, choo choo.
Hello? Anybody? Hello? Time on the board.
Yes, they pulled up to the train station.
Emma! Emma, come play! Emma, hi! Come play. You can play. You're wearing the outfit. Like, seriously.
These kids have lots of friends. I love it. The train tickets, which are
got
these.
tickets.
Got the ticket? You have a ticket, John?
I need your tickets.
Oh, good. John has a ticket. Here's your conductor.
Yeah! All aboard!
You guys ready for the ride of your life?
Let's go!
That's a heavy load you got there, Liam.
Now everybody get out. We're gonna go downhill. Now, Eden, quick, run over there and give the tickets.
All right, now Liam's gonna give him a big ride. Lucky kids. I hear the train.
I want a storybook, my baby's childhood, so that someday it'll all come back to me.
So now I'm going home. I'm a little tired actually, so I'm excited to go home and put on a little spurt of energy as I spend time with the kids and Marie, and then kind of kick back a little bit. Potentially, I can't say kick back completely because I'll have to probably process payroll tonight, but you know, I can maybe turn on a movie or something while I'm doing it. So, oh, speaking of recycling, this is something that's applicable. I also like to use refurbished ink cartridges, and I've just been messing with installing one recently, so my hands are really dirty, but it's something that's it's more cost effective, and you're reusing the cartridges so that it's not having to use the same raw material over and over again. It's recycling. So yay for recycling. That's another thing for me, another gold star. Let's see how everything's going at home.
Dad is home.
Hi. Good, how are you?
Hi.
Good. I came home and I knocked on the door. No one heard me, so I started rattling the key. And then I heard, Daddy's home, and Juliet coming down the stairs. And then I heard a big crash. She knocked over a bunch of stuff on her way down. It's kind of cute. I hear a sad boy. Hey, Charlie boy, come here. He's not coming. Daddy's here. There you are. Oh my goodness, little monkey. All right, let's talk a little bit about recycling. Today is the recycle day. Did you guys do any recycling? Juju.
We don't have any recycling.
So here's my proposition for recycling. I already do recycling in the company. And it's mixed recycling. It's aluminum, it's paper, it's plastic, all that stuff. Glass. It all can be recycled, and it all can go into the same bin or the same garbage bag. So what I'm thinking is that the garbage can that we have in the kitchen, we use that for mixed recycling. So all that stuff, it can't be dirty stuff. It can't be like super, like you can't throw away your leftover food. That wouldn't be mixed recycling. That's organic stuff. So basically, like your leftover food and stuff, and diapers and stuff like that. That's stuff that you would put out in the garages can. And then the mixed recycling stuff would be stuff that you put in the can that's in the kitchen. What do you think?
Where the food goes is in the metal trash can. Because that is where it goes.
Not if you want to recycle.
Yes. Yes. And if you do that,
I think the secret here is that you shouldn't talk that way. It's making you cough. All right. So anyways, it's good to recycle. So we're gonna go ahead and close up today with some
I'll show you
reading
how
some
to
scriptures, do a family prayer, and then we'll do the wheel as well. Okay, sleepy one, excited crazy one, and oh, did you say handsome one? Thank you, Liam. All right, I don't know what you said. I thought it was handsome and I was surprised. Okay, here we go. Ready? Get set. Go. Oh. Selfless.
I can make it out for you, Dad, if you can barely get it out.
You're probably right. Go ahead.
Mow someone's lawn.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Do I have to do that alone?
That sounds fun.
'Cause
I will say that's going to be a little bit challenging at least for me, because I'm going to be working most of tomorrow. Very long day, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to help with that one.
Me either.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know how to get that thing started or mow alone.
Mom knows how.
I know how.
Juju knows how.
You just put the chicken.
Yeah, kinda. There's a few more things, but
Oh yeah, you taught me how to do it.
yeah, did I?
I forgot the order.
Yeah. So, anyways, that's exciting though, to help somebody. Let's go to bed right now and remember...
Big gross.
Juice!
And I'll secretly stash some of their pixie dust, and I'll fly myself back